Do you have any challenges when it comes to your finances, to your diet, to your physical activities, to your relationships, or even to your mindset? You do? We have an amazing workshop coming up. It's called the Compound Effect of Habits. Throughout this workshop, we will teach you how smart, small choices being done consistently over the long period of time will create a gorgeous future for you. We will teach you how you can gain whatever you want, clearly want and desire in your life by clarifying your future, by persistently going through your habits. We will also make it clear for you what you want in future and what are the baby steps, first baby steps toward your goal. We will work on your habits, we will work on your influences, and we will create a gorgeous plan for upcoming life of yours. In case you're interested to know more about this workshop, you can email us and send us your contact info. We are gonna contact you soon and let you know what's going on. Make yourself a wonderful day.